Hello students, let's discuss the efflorescent and deliquescent substances. First we come to efflorescent substances. There are some substances which are when exposed to the environment loses their water of crystallization partly or completely. It is not necessary that they completely loses their all molecules of water crystallization. It may be partly also. So such substances are called efflorescent substances. So you can see that here there is no need to heat the substance. In the previous experiment we have seen that when copper sulfate crystals were heated, then they loses their water of crystallization. Here it is slightly different. Here there is no need of heating. Okay, if you expose them to the atmosphere, they will lose their water of crystallization. So such substances are called efflorescent substances, and this phenomena is known as efflorescence. Some examples are given here, like washing soda. Washing soda crystals are Na2CO3.10H2O. If you expose them to environment, it will lose its 9 molecules of water of crystallization and it will become a monohydrate Na2CO3.H2O. It means only one water of crystallization is left, rest 9 it loses when it is exposed to air. Now in the same way, when copper sulfate crystals are exposed to air, then they loses their all 5 molecules and become anhydrous. Glauber's salt is Na2SO4.10H2O. It loses all its 10 molecules of water of crystallization. You have to learn all these formulas. Okay. Now come to deliquescent substances. Deliquescent substances are those which are when exposed to environment, they absorb moisture from the atmosphere, right? And they get dissolved in that moisture and come in their liquid state. It means they form a solution in that, right? So when they are exposed to environment, they absorb moisture from the atmosphere and get dissolved in it. And these substances are called deliquescent substances, and the phenomena is known as deliquescency. Some examples are given here, like iron chloride, calcium chloride, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and magnesium chloride. Okay, now efflorescence and deliquescence are caused by difference between vapor pressure of the crystals and the atmospheric humidity. Okay, two important things are there. Number one is vapor pressure of crystals. Vapor pressure of crystals, number one. And number two is humidity. Humidity means moisture content of air. So due to this moisture content of air, there is also a pressure, right? So efflorescence means when it loses the water of crystallization. When it will lose the water of crystallization? When the atmospheric vapor pressure, right? Vapor pressure of efflorescence occurs when the vapor pressure of the hydrated crystals increases the vapor pressure of the atmospheric humidity. तो एटमॉस्फेरिक क्रिस्टल्स वेपर प्रेशर लगा रहे हैं, ठीक है. एटमॉस्फेरिक ह्यूमिडिटी का प्रेशर ऐसे पड़ रहा है हम पे, ठीक है. तो जब ये एटमॉस्फेरिक ह्यूमिडिटी का प्रेशर कम हो जाएगा और वेपर प्रेशर नीचे से जो ऊपर लग रहा है क्रिस्टल्स का वो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा, तो क्या होगा? These crystals, they will lose their water of crystallization. Deliquescency. In deliquescency, there is absorption of moisture. So opposite of this will happen. Opposite में क्या होगा कि अब क्या बढ़ जाएगा? Vapor pressure. Atmospheric vapor pressure will increase और जो crystals का vapor pressure है